Like so soft. Help! Today's Monday, April 20th, and I got a little delivery today because I had some issues with the last sticker printing lab, and I wanted to test a new one, and it arrived. And this is especially good because I decided randomly 2 days ago that I want by BELINA to have a little secret sale on the weekend, because I said last time I want to open the shop when the video drops on Monday, and yeah, as you might have seen, I didn't do it because I was too scared. And now I was just like, let's just fucking go. So I announced it today that something special is coming, and to celebrate that I overcame my fear, let's unpack these. Hopefully they're good. We got the by BELINA logo, and we got this new baby, which is the shh, I'm counting. Isn't it cute? Oh, I love this. The quality is amazing. How cute is this one? So I guess I will add these to the orders of the secret sale for free as a goodie. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. It is the 21st of April and I got some new samples from the Crocheting is Sexy shirt manufacturer because I wanted to see what it's going to look like when the labels are attached. The labels are not the final ones because somehow some information didn't, make it onto the labels, I guess. And we also changed a bit of, ooh, oh, I love the fabric. Oh, it's a bit more warmer. The last ones were a bit more brighter of a white, and this one is more creamy, which I prefer. And we played around with the labels because we have on the back side the embroidered by BELINA, and we want the top label, like the inside label, to cover it. But what they didn't do, what I wanted, is I wanted them to be like sewn inside like the complete label, you know what I mean? And also we got some little cute notes here, but these are like a bit wrong. So ignore the way that it is attached, but that's the base. Okay, I want to try it on. I think like this fit should be the same, but just bigger than my last shirt because this is the bigger size. I love that. Oh yes. Uh-huh. I love it. I love the fabric. It's like so soft. And I love the fit. This is surreal, guys. That we finally made to this state of the shirt. Wow. And I'm going to try these, but the only problem with these, I don't know what happened, but the Crocheting is Sexy somehow is way too much down, It should be like here. Well, that's why we do samples, right? I don't know why they changed that. It is Friday and it's the day before the little secret sale. I'm so nervous, like it's so surreal, but that also means I have a lot of to-dos today. I already spent the morning filming some content for the socials. I'm now gonna film another reel. I have to take some website pictures that are still missing. I have to close the website. I already did update the stock. I need to print more of these postcards. And I still have to figure out some of the shipping options. Yesterday, I finally organized the leftover patterns. And what I also found was a few old drop 2 shorts. It's not a lot, but I'm gonna put these in stock too, just like as a printed PDF only version, because I asked you on Instagram if you would like them, like if you're still interested, and you said yes. So these are coming back. It's 2 a.m. pre-drop, and it took me way longer to do everything I had to do, but everything's set for tomorrow. I'm so tired that I'm not even nervous because I'm so tired, but let's wait for tomorrow. The website is prepped and updated, so we now have like drop 2, a few comebacks. Drop 3, the socks, which is so exciting. And I also made a little upgrade for the cotton top, because now you can choose between colors. If you choose the different color, the picture actually changes. Kind of proud of that. Yeah. So I did that. I prepared the newsletter for tomorrow and checked all the shipping stuff, which was horrible. So yeah, and the rest of the updates I will give you tomorrow. Good night. Guys, it's the next day. And I'm about to send out the newsletter. Help! Oh guys, I'm so nervous. Oh gosh. It's time. Sending it out to all of you guys. This is always the weirdest moment because I know that now I can literally do nothing but wait and hope and pray that everything works with the shop. And this is surreal because I know, like you also know if you've seen the latest vlogs, how like nervous I am to reopen my shop, and also how excited I am to pack everything on my own again. But it's just so overwhelming to like actually take the step, because I'm always like, I think I know how much it would hurt me if like no one would order something, because it's like my baby, and I kind of want people to like my idea, you know, obviously, because yeah, I want you to like what I do because it's kind of for you. Also because I like it, but it is because I want to make you happy and create something cool that you like to have in your daily life, and you can create something beautiful with. So that's honestly so nervous. The first order. I just saw the first order. Yeah, so I'm just like, even if 10 people order, I'm very happy and excited and thankful. I'm gonna close my laptop, chill for a second, and make myself breakfast, and just try to not freak out. I don't know what to do with myself. I think I really am going to do breakfast now, because I'm just like, I don't know. And then I think I will pack the first orders, honestly. I just got ready, made myself a nice coffee, and now I am going to be brave enough to check the orders, and I think I will then just pack the first 10 orders, because why not? And I'm so excited. I think maybe I'm gonna film real. Like, let's pack the first 10 orders together. I'm also waiting for one like package order, like, you know, for the, how do you call them? Like the packing boxes. I think they're gonna arrive in the next few hours. But you know, I can already, before that, prep the first little surprises. I want to write some cards. And get the goodies ready for the first 10 people. It's now been 1 hour official shop open and 2 hours of early access. Let's see. Oh gosh. What the fuck? I think I need some help packing these. There's so many things sold out. What the fuck? That's packed. Do you know what I just realized? I don't have enough packages for the orders because I expected a bit less. Okay, like for real, like honestly, my dream scenario was 50 orders, but I expected it to be less. So it was like, even if it's 20 orders, I'm more than happy. But with the 50, I'm kinda not so close. So I definitely need to order more. It is the day after the 24-hour sale. This morning I've been with a friend to a cafe, we crochet, which was very cute. And I finished packing the first 10 orders. I now still have to print the labels and I will ship them out tomorrow on Monday. And the rest of the packages I will pack together with friends next weekend. Because like I said on the website, it's like pre-order, so I will pack everything in 1 to 2 weeks. So I have a bit of time and my friends luckily will help me because I already said it like on my Instagram story. I feel like it's so surreal. I'm like so grateful and so thankful that you're still here and supporting my dream. And for that, I want to make you happy with your orders, and I hope you love all your yarn, and I'm excited to see what you create with it. And yeah, been with a friend to the cafe. I brought her some yarn too. She's doing a polo shirt in like light yellow, like in the butter yellow. I think it's gonna be very nice. And that's not even what I wanted to say. I just wanted to say thank you. And I got myself a little croissant. It looks a bit sad, but it's a vegan apricot croissant, which sounded amazing. And I love the cafe that I brought it from. So I'm gonna enjoy my croissant now. And I hope you enjoyed this surreal vlog. I don't even know how to call it. I'm excited. I also want to let you know, if you're from Berlin, I want to bring the crochet club to Berlin now, live, next month. Just stay up to date on Instagram, on the by BELINA Instagram, and you can also put your mail into a list on the website. I will link it down below if you want to join the crochet club. Still don't know how to do it, when to do it, and what, but it will happen, okay? Because I now realize I think you still like my yarn, my idea, my brand, and I just want to spend cute evenings with you together, or days, whatever, with a little crochet club. So cheers to that, cheers to the first 10 orders, and thank you for still being here. And of course, if you want to, and you haven't done it already, make sure to subscribe and give the video some love. Go hype it. Go, I don't know, comment your current crochet project. Because that helps a lot. So, and I want to talk with you. I really want to talk with you. I love reading through YouTube comments and answering. So yeah, please do that. And we're going to see each other in the next video, or on Instagram, I don't know. And with that, cheers. Amazing. Bye bye.